The CP holiday train stopped in Chatham today as it crosses North America collecting goods for food banks. CP train, down the line, down that line. Before its arrival, children and parents were treated to entertainment inside the CAW Hall on Merritt Ave. As the train approached, the crowd gathered on the road waiting for a chance to see Santa, as well as the live band featuring Kelly Prescott.
So please be generous.
CP passed along a check to the Chatham Outreach for Hunger for $2,000.
This is really exciting to have CP Rail back here again for the second year in a row. Thanks to CP Rail for doing this for Chatham-Kent. Thank you to all of you for coming out and supporting it and letting them know that we are a community with a lot of spirit and a lot of hope, and we're going to have a great Christmas because of you folks. So Merry Christmas. Thank you, CP Rail. Let's give them a big thanks again.
LeClaire says the train helped collect 3 truckloads of food for the local outreach last year. Since 1999, the holiday train has helped generate more than 2 million pounds of food across the continent. Dave Richie, Blackburn Radio News.